Hello. Welcome to our guide on using the Course Reserves collection at FSU libraries. The Course Reserves collection is material selected by current FSU instructors to ensure access to required materials for enrolled students. Physical materials are available at our Scholar Support desks for in-library use only. E-reserves include digital textbooks, chapter and article scans, and other electronic media requested by instructors and embedded in Canvas course pages by library staff. To see if your books are in our Course Reserves collection, go to lib.fsu.edu. Click on the Course Materials icon. In the search bar, you can search by book title, course code, course title, or even instructor name to see if we have your materials. You can also search Test Prep to see what graduate exam preparation materials we have available. If the name of the book is available from your search, go to the respective Scholar Support desk to check out the book. At the Scholar Support desk, tell the staff that you are looking for a book in the Course Reserves collection and give them the title of the book. They will find the book on the Course Reserves shelf behind the desk and check it out to you. Remember, Course Reserves are an in-library use only, and you can use them for 2 hours. If you need the book for longer, come back to the Scholar Support desk and renew the book. When you're done using the book, be sure to return it back to the Scholar Support desk so your classmates can check it out next. If you have any questions about our Course Reserve service, please call or visit the Scholar Support desks at Stroger Library, Direct Science Library, or the FAMU FSU College of Engineering Library.